terminals up. And that one goes with user local VME capital scripts / start all in capital, the all part is in capital, and then CMSG. Right, so you got a terminal and you do that.
Okay.
Right? It needs to be forward slashes and everything. And that, again, a lot of these things are based on not being very impatient, so wait. So it produces 1, 2, and they should produce a blue one. There we go. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
And if they write a little bit of text, it's good. If they start writing, frantically here that they don't find various things, that's not good.
Okay.
Good. Then we need to have, first of all, we need to have 2 of these terminals at least. One of them will be dedicated to talking via the RS-232. So you need to become, because you see right now, we are plain old DAQ, data acquisition, right? And we need to become super users. So on these machines on Linux, which this one is, it's a regular user and is the super user. Super user can do anything to the machine, including good and bad.
Oh, okay.
So communicating with that is not going to work, because if I do minicom here and I push, it's going to say, you're not elevated enough. Okay, so now we need to put super user, SU stands for super user, and he's going to want a password. The password is LAB2272, which is the name of the number of the root.
Oh.
Okay. And now, it gave us the prompt back, but we're somebody else. Okay? So we change our identity. We are these guys as the super user, and now we can say minicom. Bang, and it's initializing modem is going to talk to this machine. Okay, so this one, it's obviously is left in some crappy state, because you see it's telling you that he's not happy about it. Now we need to reboot the machine. Say, okay, reboot.
Okay.
And that is Control and X. And it's going to give us a run. Anytime things go south with that machine, that's the first thing you want to do. If you turn it off, then you need to, it becomes more complicated, because you need to load all this stuff, because it's going to forget. But now, this is okay. It's loading. All right, so this happens again. It's a waiting game. So sit on your hands if you're tempted to do things. Don't do. Oh, you're.
I'm taking a video.
Oh, sorry. Better check what I'm saying.
Yeah.
All right. So if you get this little prompt here, we're good. If it says done executing that, we're good. Now you need to prepare this machine for taking data, and that goes with spawn. So you spawn a new process, and that would be Gabby, and usually I go with 7. So it says how many channels we want. We want the program that bears my name for historic reasons, and 7. Okay, and this gives you some more output, and it says rock main, so read out controller main, start processing. So this is waiting for us to give it instructions. So now we don't touch this no more. We go here and we spawn a new terminal. Right, so we get another one of these things. And now what we need to be doing, first of all, is the high voltage on and everything on in there or not?
No.
Okay, so let's do that, because otherwise it makes very little sense for us to be doing. So we go here. I trust you, Taylor. Make sure that you put 1300 volts, let's say.
Yeah. Do you want me to get one that works, or try to?
Let's try that one. That exists. We need to go home, because we left our son by himself with the shock controller. There's nothing in there? Oh, it's not. Okay, then you really need a board, yes.
There's one on the table right there.
Okay. You got a potentially, well, without it. All right, do you want wood? Put it.